Okay, so now how to create APK from Android Studio. Okay, so unaweza kuwa na project yako kwenye Android Studio. Okay, so now unataka create APK kwa ajili ya kushare na wengine, kuiupload kwenye website, watu waka download na kadhalika. Okay, so now come to Android Studio project. Okay, so navigate menu, then click build. Okay, then select build bundle APK. Okay, then select build APKs. Okay, so now je kuangalia hapa nao itakuwa na just Gradle is building, so Gradle ina just ku build your application. Okay, so now please wait in Gradle ina build application. Okay, so now after finish, click locate. Okay, click locate. Okay, so after click locate itafungua file inaitwa debug. Okay, so debug hapa again, so just repeat again, click locate ni hapo. Okay, after clicking itafungua ili file. Okay, file yenyewe ndo hili, so now rename it. Okay, to your application name. For example, my application is known as Loan Management Information System. Okay, and then okay, so now I can share this application with others. Okay, share this application just in a MB 6 MB.75. okay, is in MB. Okay, so now here you can install, kwenye smartphone. Okay, so now naihamisha, just copy it. Okay, then come to desktop, then you paste. Okay, Loan Management System. Okay.